Music. Capital One versus Harris, which bank is right for *U**? This video compares both, helping you decide. Check the description for links to both banks. Let's dive into their strengths and weaknesses. First up, Capital One. Known for its digital-first approach, Capital One offers robust online banking. It's perfect for those who prefer low fees, high-yield savings, and easy mobile access through its top-rated app. Capital One boasts competitive savings interest rates and top-tier credit cards, especially for cashback or travel rewards. Limited physical branches might be a downside for some. However, its online platform satisfies most digital banking needs. Now, Harris. A traditional bank offering a wide range of financial products, including checking, savings, loans, and investments. With physical branches across the Midwest, it's great for in-person banking. Harris offers solid online banking, though its app and website aren't as advanced as Capital One's. A major Harris strength is its extensive ATM and branch network, convenient for those needing frequent physical access or face-to-face assistance. However, Harris's fees can be higher, and its savings rates lower, than Capital One's. So, Capital One is better for digital banking, low fees, and high-yield savings. Harris is ideal for those valuing physical branches and personalized service. Check the links below to explore further and choose the best bank for *your needs.